Hello everybody, welcome back to my next video. So I am going to be organising my makeup. Now if you watched one of my previous videos, I just did a big haul, so I thought it was time for a reorganise. So I'm just going to show you how I do it. Okay, so this is my makeup and I keep it mainly in the drawers here. So it's emptied, and I've actually just got another one as well that housed pens and stationery downstairs, but I've redone that now. So without further ado, if you can see me, I'm gonna just organize it. So I do it by category. So first things first is primer. So primer, foundation, yeah. I have gone, oh that can go, that's old. So I, before I started this, I have gone through and kind of decluttered it, but after this I'll show you all the categories and everything, but I thought it'd be nice to show you how I keep it all. So this is the lip contour everything vault, and it is just amazing. So this is the finished product. This is my kind of makeup area. It is on top of this Ikea dresser drawers. I forgot what it's called now. And then I got the glass on top so it doesn't stain it. And then I just thought I'd take you through it. So first, I've got this sign I bought from a charity shop. You can never be too glamorous. This really cool, sorry about the reflection, Buffy poster. All the different characters. Another Buffy one, and then I bought those off Etsy, and then But First Makeup again off Etsy, and then these two frames are from eBay, and then this is from Next, and then thought I'd just take you through. So first I've got kind of I use it on my eyeshadow palettes. It's in this kind of heart shape kind of letter organizer that I've using to organize them. So that's my eyeshadow palettes. This is my Batman, and then I've also got this one as well. Yeah, it's a Sleeping Beauty. Okay, so first things first, this is it. So I've got baking powder and fixing spray because that doesn't fit the drawers, and then I've just done it by order. So I've got my Open Primer, foundation, my two foundations, kind of my everyday and then my kind of good one. And then I've also got my two different shades. I have my kind of face makeup. Oops, sorry. So I've got highlighters, blush, the foundation I use as contour, a blush and lip tint set. And then I've also got so spare primer, foundation, this illuminating foundation drops, a spare contour crayon set, and then the face palette I use every day. This is the if it loads, the Ultra Sculpt and Contour one in fair, and then I've also got the bronzer there. I don't wear bronzer that much, so that goes in there. I've then got, this is the eye drawer. So I've got a couple of small eyeshadow palettes, some cool, sorry, this is my first time filming handhold and it's very hard for me to see. That's a bit better. Okay, yeah. So I've got my Kohl eye, I'm not sure how you say it, sorry, K-O-L-H, yeah. Mascara, lash glue, a couple of small eyeshadow palettes that are too small for there. Yep, some eyeliner pens and stuff. So this is all eyes. So yeah, that's all eyes. All eyes, and that's that drawer. And then we're on to lips now. I do have quite a lot of lip products. So this is lip liners, and then we're into lip balm and odd lipsticks. So yeah, so they're the odd ones. And then this last drawer is all the same Revolution Pro. These were 2 sets. You get 5 lipsticks for £7, so it's such a good price. So that's what's in that drawer. So that's it. So that's how I've done it. Yeah, so it's lips. So yeah. So it's face, eyes, and then lips. Kind of the order I do it. That's how I like it. And then this wouldn't fit in the drawers, but I've got the everything lip contour vault. So I am very excited. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like it. Sorry, this is my first time filming, holding it and filming, and it's not going very good. But please bear with me. I am slowly learning how to do it because I love creating them. So please bear with me. So thank you for watching. I'll start again. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And I'll link down below the products. I forgot to say the drawers I got off Amazon a few years ago. They were a Christmas present and I just love it. And for those wondering about makeup brushes, they will sit on top of the drawers. They're currently downstairs. I've just cleaned them, and I did a video on how you can clean them, so I'll link that below as well as up in the cards. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time.